When I removed those steel wheels and mounted these alloys up on Fritz here, I found a lot of corrosion, both on the back side of the wheels and on the hubs. And I think from what I see, and I see a lot of these cars and pull a lot of these wheels, I don't think there's very many people that realize the importance of cleaning the surfaces when you mount your wheels. This includes the surface of the hub, and for instance in the back, the surface of the rotor and the inside surface of the wheel. So when you mount it up there and you torque it down, everything's running true. I think a lot of people might just throw it on there with a bunch of corrosion and you don't have that wheel running true, and you'll get a little vibration and you'll go into the tire shop and say, can you balance my wheels? You'll find out it isn't balancing. Your wheels are balanced fine. They're shaking because they're on crooked, if I could say that. I've used a lot of different methods and a lot of different tools to do this cleaning operation, and there's one I like. So I decided to go ahead and put together a kit with a special cleaning tool and the anit-seize compound, and I did a full video instruction on how to do this, so that when you change your wheels, whether you're doing brake work or wheel bearings or emergency brake shoes in the back, when you take everything off, I want to make sure you clean everything up and seal it properly so it won't rust and your wheels won't stick to the hubs when you go to try to get them off a couple years from now. So you ever try to get a stuck wheel on a hub off on the freeway? So there's two things that I detest when it comes to wheels. Number one, you can't get the lug bolts off out on the road because some tire shop torqued them to 150 foot-pounds. And the other thing is someone didn't do preventative maintenance to keep the wheel from sticking to the hub, and you're out there trying to kick it off with your foot. So this is something you should do and should take care of. It's going to make ownership and maintenance of your car a lot more enjoyable. So if you're interested in this kit, I'll just put a link below in the description of this video and you can go to my website and read more about it.